Hi, are you feeling anxious? Are you? So, if you're feeling anxious, one thing I think a lot of people want to go, so why attend this 1 day workshop? So, I say that you're going to have freedom from your anxiety with confidence, right? So, why attend this workshop? Well, what will that mean to you? What will that mean to you if you have freedom from this anxiety? What will it mean as far as, are you going to be able to do the things you want to be able to do? Are you going to be able to do things with your children that you weren't able to do? Are you going to do things with your spouse or your significant other that you weren't able to do? Are you going to be able to go out in public the way you want to be able to go? Those are things that are really valuable to your life. And if this anxiety is holding you back, then you need to be in this workshop. Because what we're going to do is we're going to change one thing for you. We're going to change this one thing that day. That day, it's going to be changed. And what will that mean for you? That's up to you. So what we're going to do during this workshop, just kind of a brief overhaul here, is what we're going to do is we are going to be talking directly with your subconscious, the part that is creating this pattern of having that anxiety looping and going forward and not allowing you to do this or that or the other. Or maybe it's making you think of what everybody else is thinking of you, so it pushes you back so you can't do the things that you want to be able to do, to have that purpose in your life, to be able to do the things that you want to be able to do. So 1 day workshop. It's going to be the most profound day that you will have, because it's going to make this change for you. I would love to see you on the inside of this workshop. I look forward to seeing you, and we're going to make this change together. All right, talk to you later. See you on the inside.